Hey everybody, Jeff Teague here. Look at this, it's a new Land Cruiser, it's back, it's bad. This is the first of three different trim levels. This is the Land Cruiser 1958 edition. The 1958, what a cool name for a grade, right? We've got the 1958 edition, Land Cruiser trim, and then Land Cruiser First Edition. I'm gonna tell you all about them. But we got to investigate what this is all about. Wait a minute, iForce Max? That's familiar. That's right, the iForce Max. We see that on a lot of popular Toyotas now. Tundra, Sequoia, Tacoma. Same thing here. This Land Cruiser will produce 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It's the 2.4 liter turbocharged four-cylinder combined with a 48 horsepower electric motor and a 1.87 kilowatt hours nickel metal hydride battery pack. Match that engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. So what about brakes and suspension? How is it gonna ride? Well, first of all, it's got 17-inch disc brakes in the front and in the rear. It matches. Then we've got, in the front, we've got double wishbone suspension with twin tube shocks. And then we've got multi-link rear suspension with coil springs. The 1958 edition is gonna have the fabric seating, the black fabric seats. Really cool looking inside. Look how tall and boxy this is. The A-pillar's been pushed back for looks, to complement the looks, but also for outward visibility, to improve on that. We've got big improvements in technology to see, my friends. Now, if you get the Land Cruiser edition, that's gonna have Softex seats. And then if you get the Land Cruiser First Edition, that's gonna have, leather seats, my friends. Leather seats in the house. And then what are we gonna see in the back? Well, that's your sneak preview. Do we have LED lights? Of course we do. We've got the round LED lights here. We're calling back to the old Land Cruisers, the days of glories past. Then we've got the Toyota Heritage grille here and LED fog lights in that rectangular housing. Some things you also might wanna see, look at the square pattern here. Very different from what we see in its sister vehicle, the Lexus GX 550. Oh, wow, that is so cool. Got that thick black accent piece here, thin bumper. Look at this, and then the cladding goes all the way around here. Pretty special if you ask me. This one here, it's retro, it's rugged, it's tough. Look at that. And then what about the hood? Well, we've got a strong line up here. Comes across, look at that. That is macho, my friends. Macho, macho Land Cruiser. All right, and then look at this. Look how the side flares out. We saw a little bit of that in the teaser picture, but nothing could have prepared us for this. 18-inch alloy wheels here. 245 70R18 tires. Look out, a flasher. That's right, look at these side mirrors, chunky, they're squared off. Reminds you of FJ Cruiser, doesn't it? Then we got blind spot monitor, that's standard on all trims along with rear cross traffic alert. Look at the little dot patterns that you see all the way through it. Very cool. We've got matte black down below, gloss black on the door handles. And then what do we have up here? 1958 edition, remember. One of three trims. Look what I noticed, all of the visibility here, all the way across, good window space. Very strong. And if you notice the gas tanks on the driver's side, that will not be released at this reveal. That'll be the next stage. Then we've got this right here. Look where the LED taillights are. And then look where the LED turn signal is. So very cool. We've got the LED taillights here. We knew that they were gonna be rectangular, not circular, and we knew there wasn't gonna be an LED light bar across, the Toyota symbol here, Land Cruiser badging. Then we've got backup camera down here. Looks like it could be a backup camera washer as well, which would be cool. Nice, thick, rugged protector right here for the bumper. And then this should open, yep, pops right here. You'll see this also on the Lexus GX. Pop, 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 pop that thing. So that way I can store my invisible gear. And I'm out. Every Land Cruiser comes standard with a hitch. Towing capacity, I don't know specifics by trim level, but it's up to 6,000 pounds. How about that? First impression, again, a boxy vehicle is going to be tall inside, so that means there's going to be passenger headroom. probably good legroom, and definitely good stackable storage. Where are we taking this one, guys? Where's our next overlanding adventure, girls? All right, so first impressions. This is a first impression video. I literally just walked up to this thing 5 minutes before I started filming. Boom, we've got AC power. Look, 2400 watt AC inverter. We've got tie downs. Let's get rid of this. I can do that. All right, so we got more tie downs here. This is gonna open up, if I can get it. Come on, Jeff. I'm gonna keep that in there. We've got a little bit of extra storage there. Got cup holders back here. This one's a 2-row. All right, very cool. And then look, we've got handles all the way to the back. Pretty neat stuff. What about this one right here? Oh, this one opens as well. Holla. How is it gonna fit? How are we gonna fit somebody who's 5'8"? Very comfortably, actually. Look at this here. How about if you're 6'4", 6'5"? I'll bet I can. Oh yes, tilt this one back. We've got room. Look at my legroom here, folks. This is pretty nice. And then, ooh, we got side pockets here. Exciting. So what else do we have here? We got a little pocket, a little handle. That could fit probably a thicker sport bottle. Got handles. I like that too. And then we've got some USB-Cs. Do you want to stay connected? Absolutely, my friends. Land Cruiser written across here. We've got some Easter eggs. And then what else do we have? Child safety latches. The seats themselves are pretty darn comfortable, I would say. What about this though? How's the armor? Oh, this feels like a lazy boy. I'm gonna recline on that one. It's reclined. What's up there? It looks like up top here we've got some LED lights. They're touch. The SOS, remember this has Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 on it. There's that. And then we've got the lights. Looks like lighted mirrors with a little slide extension there. That's kind of cool. Land Cruiser, of course it's gonna be here. If it's a first edition, it's gonna have the first edition moniker right there too. Now we've got locking rear differential, locking center differential, and then look at this. Boom, boom. We've got high 4, high low, push. I should have followed that direction initially. Very cool. All right, look, we've got a little case for whatever we want it to be there. USB-Cs, different drive modes. Holla. For our drive modes, we got sport, normal, eco, but we've also got the downhill assist control and crawl mode. I do not believe we're gonna see this. Yeah, we're not gonna see the multi-terrain select on the 1958, but it has crawl mode, which is a win in itself. Electronically controlled transmission, parking brake, brake hold. What else do we have? We've got heated seats here. I don't need that today. It is scalding in Salt Lake City, but I'm glad to be here. Chick, 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 chick. And then this is an 8-inch Toyota audio multimedia, so you can do wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You can pair multiple phones, intuitive voice commands, all that jazz. Really cool stuff. On here, we've got a big, giant, I'm guessing it's 12.3-inch gauge cluster here. Let's see if we can get this to show some things. Ooh, all right, I like that. Get it to go across, 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 just like that. This has proactive driving assist. It'll be gentle curve reduction. Let's see if the horn works. Oh, wow, that's funny. That's funny. Auto dimming mirror and looks like HomeLink as well. So I ask you this, my friends, how do you like the interior? Since this is the return, the debut, the world premiere, we're not gonna see statistics like gas mileage yet, fuel tank size, cargo capacities. We're also not gonna see pricing exactly, but we're told that this is gonna start, get this, crazy, right? Mid-50s is where it's starting. Oh, remember when the Land Cruiser 200 series, it's 250, the Land Cruiser 200 series, that was in the high 80s, almost $90,000. We've gone significantly further down. That's attractive. Thanks everybody so much for watching. Let me know what you think of Land Cruiser. This is the 1958. Woo! We've got Land Cruiser trim, 1958 that we saw here, and then the first edition. That's gonna be limited, I believe, in the first couple months to 5,000 units. So scoop those up fast. It's gonna be iconic, as they say. Iconic, my friends. So I'm at Toyota Jeff Reviews, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And I'm also at Auto Jeff Reviews, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. It's great to see you all here. Let me know your first impressions of Land Cruiser. I'm gonna have a lot more content coming up in the days, the weeks, the months, and the years, so you can get all the information that you need to make the best decision on whether you love Land Cruiser or you love Land Cruiser. All right, guys, see you next time. You know I'm bad, Shaman.